Designed with Japan quality DNA, you can be assured of ultimate safety, energy efficiency, and long-lasting durability. Made in Japan, the stainless steel tank is highly durable to withstand high temperatures and pressure. The stainless steel tank is highly resistant to corrosion, ensuring durability while minimizing water contamination, so you can enjoy everyday hygienic bathing and wellness. The innovative design places the heating element at the bottom of the tank for optimum and consistent heating. It also incorporates Panasonic's patented insulation foam to minimize heat loss, thereby ensuring that water stays hot longer, while the incombustible insulation foam material prevents the spread of fire. The water heater also features a built-in earth leakage breaker, ELB, that automatically cuts off power supply to prevent electric shocks. It can be reset with just a push of a button. It is recommended to be tested once a month. The Panasonic storage water heater is also IPX4 water resistant and protected against water splashes from multiple directions. Make Panasonic your trusted brand and be assured of design that meets safety and quality that brings wellness.
Panasonic.